Pfizer is a multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in New York City, USA. Here's a brief overview of Pfizer. 1. Pharmaceutical giant. Pfizer is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies, with a rich history dating back to 1849. It has a strong presence in the global pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. 2. Diverse portfolio. Pfizer's diverse portfolio includes prescription drugs, vaccines, biologics, and consumer healthcare products. Some of its well-known prescription drugs include Lipitor, atorvastatin, Viagra, sildenafil, and Celebrex, celecoxib. 3. COVID-19 vaccine. Pfizer was a key player in the development of one of the COVID-19 vaccines, known as the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, or BNT162b2. This vaccine, which gained emergency use authorization in many countries, played a significant role in the global response to the COVID-19 pandemic. 4. Research and innovation. Pfizer is committed to research and innovation, continually striving to develop new and innovative treatments and therapies across various medical fields, including oncology, cardiology, immunology, and rare diseases. 5. Corporate responsibility. Pfizer places an emphasis on corporate responsibility and sustainability. It has initiatives related to improving global healthcare access, reducing its environmental footprint, and supporting underserved communities. 6. Collaborations and partnerships. Pfizer often collaborates with other pharmaceutical companies, research institutions, and healthcare organizations to advance medical research and address global health challenges. 7. Global reach. Pfizer operates in more than 175 countries, serving patients and healthcare professionals worldwide. Please note that the information provided here is based on my last knowledge update in September 2021, and there may have been developments or changes related to Pfizer since that time.